have plants all around us. Can you define the plant?
Yes, ma'am. Plants are immovable living organisms that are present around us. They are essential for sustaining life on the earth by providing oxygen gas that we breathe in.
Okay. In which branch of biology we study about the plants?
We study the plants in the botany.
Okay, who is the father of botany?
The father of botany is Theophrastus.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Irtiza, is there any classification in the plants?
Yes, ma'am. On the basis of height, stem and branch of plants can be classified into 5 groups, which are herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, and creepers.
Thank you. Saiba, what
Yes,
are
ma'am.
herbs?
Herbs are small and weak plants that have soft, green, and tender stem. They do not grow branches. They are less than 1 meter tall. For example, tomato, radish, and rice are some examples.
Okay.
Thank you.
What are shrubs?
Shrubs are the small to medium-sized plants with the woody stem which profusely branch into many equal-sized plants. For example, rose, raspberry, etc. Thank you.
Hey Huda, what are trees?
Trees are big and tall plants with a giant woody trunk.
What is trunk?
A trunk is a part of stem without branches. The trees have stem branches much above the ground. For example, poplar, chinar, peach, etc. Thank you.
What are climbers?
The fourth type of the plant is climbers. Climbers are the plants whose stem cannot stand upright without a support. They climb their support with the help of special organs called tendrils. Some climbers have stem tendrils and some have leaf tendrils. Example, cucumber, grapevine, bitter gourd, etc. Thank you.
The creepers.
Creepers are those plants which have very weak stems and do not have any kind of special organ for climbing. Thus, they grow along the ground. For example, strawberry, watermelon, pumpkin, etc.
Thank you. Hey, what are you doing? Okay. Can anybody tell me about the flower? Yes, ma'am. Okay. What's flower?
It is the beautiful part of plant. It is the reproductive organ of a plant.
Okay. Acha, Farhan. Is there any classification on the basis of flower?
Yes, ma'am. There are two categories on the plants on the basis of flowers. They are as flowers bearing and non-flowers bearing.
Okay. Anif, come here. What are flowering plants and give the example too?
Ma'am, plants which bear flowers, they are also called flowering plants and or angiosperms. Example, tomato, mango, apple.
Okay. Shazib, come here. What are non-flowering plants and
Those-
example?
Those plants that do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Examples: wheat, rice, poplar, etc.
Thank you. What are you playing? What are you playing? What is this game called?
And this game is called hand cricket.
Okay. Can you tell me, Anas? There are different kinds of plants. Can you see all around us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any classification of plants on the basis of life cycle?
Yes, ma'am. Plants are classified into 3 types on the basis of their life cycle.
Define life cycle.
A life cycle is a series of stages through which a living organism goes during its life.
Okay. Thank you. Hashim,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the classification of plants on the basis of life cycle.
Ma'am, plants are classified into 3 types: annuals, biennials, and perennials.
Thank you. Okay. Majid, what are annuals?
Annuals. Plants whose life cycle is completed in the one season. These are generally herbs. Example, wheat and mustard. Thank you.
Okay. Azan, come here. What are biennials?
Plants whose life cycle requires 2 seasons for completion. They are generally herbs and rarely shrubs. For example, carrot, radish and potato.
Okay. Ayan, what are perennials?
Plants whose life cycle run for more than 2 seasons. Example, apple, peach, walnut, etc. Thank you.